Hi, I'm James from Black Project, and I'm here to tell you about the April bottle releases. First up, we have CYGNUS. It's one of my favorite beers we make every year. This is a blend of 3 years of spontaneous ale. It's traditionally made, method traditionale, which means 60% Pilsner, 40% unmalted wheat, and all of the things that go along with that. And then we add a mix of Balaton and Montmorency cherries. We make multiple blends, some using first use and some using second use fruit. This is blend A. It's the first one we're releasing. This one's actually got a higher percentage of second use fruit, so it's actually really like lighter than a traditional Creek, but it's really got amazing cherry flavor still, and I think it's a really unique and really tasty beer. Yeah, so it's got a beautiful funkiness, but absolute like ripe cherry, a little bit of cherry pit, like almondiness on the nose. Yeah, it's tart, and it's tart. It's got a little bit of oak character. I also think behind the cherry, there's sort of a tropical fruit note in there. It's almost got like a fruit punch character to it, which is entirely from our spontaneous microbes making these fruity esters. But it plays really well with the cherry flavor. It's just a really light and refreshing version of a cherry spontaneous ale. So these are our April releases. They go on sale April 16th at noon to the public. That's a online pre-sale, and then they have to be picked up that weekend following that, which is the 19th through 21st. Again, we have Mock Limit Tempranillo, Habu Framboise, and Cygnus Blend A.